Justin.
Hi, Emily.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Welcome to Cannon Estate.
Yeah, thanks for having me here. It's beautiful.
It is, isn't it?
So tell me, what are we cooking today?
We're highlighting BC dairy today. We're making a Spanish grilled cheese with 2 types of local cheese. And we're pairing that with a spicy tomato soup.
Amazing.
Using local butter and local cream.
Okay, awesome. That's great. That's going to be perfect because I brought a really delicious sparkling wine from Township 7, which is awesome for grilled cheese. And the Bonhomus Sauvignon Blanc blend from Cannon Estate is, I think, going to be really stunning and work really well with the tomato soup as well.
It's delicious.
Yeah.
Let's get into it.
Okay.
I'm Justin Witcher. I'm a chef, currently working at Cannon Estate Winery. It really feels good coming to the farms and really feeling the actual farm to plate. I mean, that term gets thrown around. It's really like being able to go to the point where the cow is raised and see the milking process. The reason why we use local dairy is to keep the freshness.
I'm Emily Walker. I'm a sommelier based in the Okanagan, and I'm here in the Fraser Valley celebrating beautiful local ingredients with local wine. The Fraser Valley is really representative of the diversity that we have in our region in terms of the climate being much more moderate. And you know, you look around and it's really this agricultural haven. This dish was really fun to pair with. I think that food and wine pairing can sometimes seem intimidating. This was a great example of it doesn't have to be that way. It can be playful, it can be simple, and often those are the pairings that are the most exciting.
First of all, you're gonna start off with some garlic, warm pot, add our chopped onions, our chopped fennel, and our celery. Sometimes add a little salt to bring out the moisture and cook that out. Secondly, we're gonna start with the grilled cheese. 2 pieces of bread, a little truffle paste, a little bit of garlic aioli, which is garlic mayonnaise, 2 pieces of fresh local cheddar, and then 2 pieces of local Emmenthal on the other, 3 pieces of jamon serrano, which is a Spanish Parma ham. And we're gonna put those bad boys together. Now we're gonna get our pan hot, nice and hot, add a big chunk of butter and a little bit of truffle oil. Probably let that sit for 3 or 4 minutes, watching closely not to burn your bread. Now that we've sweat down our vegetables, we're gonna add the tinned tomatoes, our local cream, our local milk, a little bit of veg stock, and we're gonna cook that out for another 30 to 45 minutes. And now as we go to plate, we're gonna do a little tomato confit in the bottom of the bowl, a little really nice local goat's cheese, some basil, and a little bit of thyme, and then we're gonna pour the soup over top.
Lovely. Okay, so I think we got to try it with the sparkling.
Okay, let's do it.
Wonderful.
No crusts. The kid in me.
Salty and rich.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yum.
I think sparkling wine with a classic grilled cheese, or grilled cheese with a little spin on it, is going to be so good. How the bubbles just really kind of cut through all that richness, and it's just such a classic.
The dairy comes through lovely. It really cuts the acid of the tomatoes.
It's lovely. We've got the bubbles working so well with, the cheese, the local cheese in the sandwich, and cutting through the fat and the richness of the sandwich. And then the Sauvignon Blanc, I feel, plays so well with the tomatoes. And of course, the local cream and goat cheese. It's really all coming together. So nice.
I couldn't agree more.
Yeah.
We nailed it. Cheers.